Welcome to Activity 53, A Little Harder. In this activity, we'll be developing the strategy of bridging 10 for subtraction that's solved by taking away, starting with wholes of less than 30. To complete this activity, you will need 2 of each bond block from 1 to 9 and 1 linear 10. If you have original boards, please place them inside a right and white sleeve. Player 1 goes first. They spin 25 subtract 6. First they build the whole of 25. 25. Then they place the part being taken away of 6. I take away the part of 6 in 2 blocks. First, I take away 5 to bridge 10 to 20, and then I take away 1 more to complete taking away 6. I then place my part that is the answer. I say the equation 25 subtract 6 equals 19 and record this. 25 subtract 6 equals 19. Player 2 has their turn, and I'm going to model spinning 23 subtract 5. First they build the whole of 23. 23. They then take away the part of 5 in 2 blocks. First, they take away 1 block to bridge 10 to 20, and then they complete taking away the part of 5. They then represent their answer by placing the H block, and they say 23 subtract 5 equals 18 and record this. 23 subtract 5 equals 18. Player 2 is the winner for this round because they made the smallest or least answer to the subtraction. Now it's your turn.